Welcome to Siva Sakti's YouTube channel.
If your dinner table looks like a battlefield, you're a parent. Let's turn mealtime into a health feast. First up, get the kids involved. Let them pick veggies at the market or help with simple kitchen tasks. It makes them excited to eat what they've made. Next, be a role model. Kids mimic what they see. If they see you enjoying a salad, they're more likely to try it too. Also, make healthy swaps. Replace soda with coconut water or fruit-infused water. Swap white rice for brown or multigrain. Don't forget to keep it colorful. A plate full of vibrant fruits and veggies is more appealing and packed with nutrients. Lastly, make it fun. Turn meals into a family event. Try theme nights like Taco Tuesday with healthy toppings. Remember, it's all about balance and making small, positive changes. Your family's health journey starts today. Thanks for watching, and happy healthy eating.
Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and select all for regular updates to reach you.